Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem of your pen drive being write protected or read only just by using CMD. I'm going to my computer and our pen drive is attached there. If I try to delete something from that, it says that the disk is write protected. Even if I try to copy something into the pen drive, it says that the disk is write protected. Even if I try to format the pen drive, it says almost the same. The disk is write protected. So I have a solution for this problem. Go to CMD and type the exact words I type disk part, press enter, and now type list disk, enter, and then disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 1 is my pen drive, it is 4 GB in size, and now select disk 1 by typing select disk 1 and enter. Now disk 1 is selected, and now type attribute disk clear read only, and now simply press enter, and as you can see disk attributes cleared successfully. And now type exit to exit, and now your pen drive is fixed and the write protected writing has gone. And now simply reinsert your pen drive. I have reinserted the pen drive, going there, and now if I try to delete any file, suppose I'm just willing to delete this file, delete, yes, and now the file is deleted. And you can now also copy anything from anywhere to your pen drive, and it will be copied. And as you can see that with just CMD, the problem of your pen drive being read only or write protected is fixed, and this is a simple way of doing that. And if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. See you in my next video tutorial, and till then, goodbye.